Good morning to you all. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all for beginning of this new academic year. Hi, myself Saima Khan, lecturer of pharmacognosy in Hygiene Institute of Pharmacy. Let me congratulate you first for taking admission in Hygiene Institute. Here I am talking about the new academic year, which means lots of challenges, and you have to accept it, students. As we all know, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, all the things are just sudden change. But in spite of that, we are available for you. We are available on online, and we will try our best just to make you virtual classes interesting.
Hello dear students, my name is Mrs. Anupam Bisht. I will teach you pharmacognosy in this session. I am Associate Professor in Hygia Group of Institution. First of all, I want to welcome all of you students in Hygia family. Student, as you are aware about COVID-19 pandemic situation, so the classes will be held online till the condition improves. Students, I hope you all will prepare for online sessions. Good luck, students.
Hello everyone, I am Salahuddin, Assistant Professor at Hygia Group of Institution, Lucknow. It is great pleasure for me to welcome all of you in Hygia Group of Institution. I hope you all are fit and fine. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि करंट टाइम में पूरे मुल्क में कोरोना पेंडेमिक की वजह से लॉकडाउन है, जिसकी वजह से हमारी लाइफ का हर पार्ट प्रभावित है। लेकिन इस सिचुएशन में हमको अपने एम से पीछे नहीं हटना है और अपने एजुकेशन एंड लर्निंग को कंटिन्यू रखना है, जिसमें मेंटेन करने के लिए हाइजिया ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, जिसमें ऑनलाइन वीडियोस, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड क्विज इंक्लूड होंगे। I will love to see individual talent and strength and watching you grow during your education. जिसे खुद पर भरोसा हो वो यही कहता है, मेहनत कर किस्मत का लिखा भी बदलता है। And again, welcome to Hygia Group of Institution. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Hello everyone, I am Sarita Singh. I am lecturer in Hygia Group of Institution. Dear students, we know that due to corona pandemic, our country have locked down itself. Most of the colleges have started online classes for your better education. So you must take advantage of this opportunity. Now it is easy to make connection with you all, and it also helps to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. So my dear friends, my dear students, if you have any queries, any questions, you can ask me anytime on my WhatsApp number and by calling me. A better education is the foundation of better future. Thank you.
The capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is a choice. Hello, my all dear student, myself Parul Mishra, Assistant Professor of Hygia Group of Institution. Firstly, a warm welcome to all of the students on the behalf of Hygia family. I hope you all are fit and fine. Our institute provides online classes, online platform regarding the study like online quiz, online videos, presentation and other extra activities. So, if you have any query regarding study, you can ask me on WhatsApp group or by call personally. At last, I want to say that work hard, be kind, amazing things will happen. So, thank you, dear student.
Hello, good morning dear student. Welcome in Hygia Institute, Lucknow. Myself Priyanka Yadav, Assistant Professor from Hygia Institute, Lucknow. Thank you for the opportunity. This is optional either optional step, and depending upon the situation could either say thank you for short listening me through this video. I hope you all are fit and fine in your place, home and anywhere. Dear student, all know that due to the corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with school, teachers and lack of education. Our college institute have started online classes. You must take advantages to this opportunity. I started this video to give online classes to continue for study, for complete the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. Now the connection is not limited to the class. Now the session will be available for all. After a tutorial, I will answer your queries and questions on WhatsApp group chat. Thank you.
One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Hello my dear students, I am Shweta Mishra, lecturer at Hygieia Group of Institutions. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of new academic year 2020-2021. I hope all of you are doing well at the situation. As all of us know that at this situation it is safe to stay at home. So we have planned the online classes for the students till the situation gets better. Now it is easy to make connection with you all through online classes. This will help us to cover the whole syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. The teacher will provide you videos and PDF notes. So read, and wherever you have any doubts or queries, you all are free to ask. We can't be good in everything. Compete with yourself, learn from your mistakes and try to do your best. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So be sincere, be cooperative and hard work. Thank you.